Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we are back with another tutorial on how to delete poll in Messenger. For this, we are first going to open Messenger app on mobile phone. Now choose a group where you want to create your poll. Click on plus icon available on bottom section of the page. Choose polls. Now you can create your polls here. Here you can enter your topic of the poll and option related to the poll. I am creating my own poll. Now go to create poll. After that your poll is created. However, the created poll cannot be deleted, so we have to delete the entire group conversation. For that, long press on your group chat and then after option menu appears on your screen. Now select the delete option in the menu. After that, there appears a section where you need to confirm you want to delete the entire conversation or not. So I am just going to click on delete button. Now the entire group conversation is deleted along with the poll. Be aware when creating poll on your group chat, because the poll which you created cannot be deleted, so you would need to delete the entire conversation. Hope you find this tutorial informative and helpful. Give a thumbs up if you like it and share among your friends, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.